In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add a contact form to your Blogger site using the built-in gadget. This will allow your visitors to reach out to you seamlessly and enhance their experience on your blog. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Blogger dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage all the different features of your blog. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the Layout section on the menu. Clicking on Layout will take you to a page where you can arrange the various components of your site, such as adding new gadgets or rearranging existing ones to better suit your blog's needs. Now that you're in the Layout section, it's time to find the right spot for your contact form. This decision might depend on your blog's design or where you feel the form will be most visible and accessible. You could choose the sidebar if you want it to be displayed next to your main content, or opt for the footer if you prefer it to be at the bottom of each page. Whichever area you decide on, look for an Add a Gadget button in that zone. This button is your gateway to a variety of tools Blogger offers to enhance your site. Once you've clicked Add a Gadget, a new window will pop up showing a list of available gadgets. Among this list, you'll find the Contact Form gadget. This tool is specifically designed to make it easy for visitors to communicate with you without having to leave your site. Go ahead and select the Contact Form gadget to add it to your chosen area. After you've chosen and added the Contact Form gadget, you'll see an option to set a title for your form. Adding a title like Contact Us or Get in Touch can help make it clear to visitors what the form is for and encourage them to use it. When you're satisfied with the title, click the Save button. This saves your changes and integrates the form into your blog layout. Now the exciting part, previewing your work. Go back to your blog and check out the new addition. You should see the contact form ready for your visitors to interact with. Once they fill it out and send you a message, you'll receive their communications directly in the email associated with your Blogger account. This makes it easy for you to stay connected and responsive to your audience. There you have it. By using Blogger's built-in contact form gadget, you've set up an efficient communication channel that your visitors can use effortlessly. This tool is a simple yet powerful way to enhance interaction with your audience, making your blog an engaging platform. Thanks for tuning in, and happy blogging!